In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Binance wallet. As you might know, Binance is a custodial wallet, meaning there's no need for a seed phrase backup. However, securing your account is crucial, and there are several steps you can take to ensure an additional layer of protection for your assets. Let's dive into the details. First and foremost, enhancing your account security by enabling two-factor authentication, commonly known as 2FA, is highly recommended. You have some options here like using Google Authenticator or opting for SMS verification. This additional security measure ensures that even if someone manages to get hold of your password, they won't be able to access your account without this second piece of verification. To set this up, head over to your Binance account security settings. From there, you can easily configure 2FA by following the on-screen instructions, which will guide you through downloading a 2FA app and linking it to your account or setting up SMS verification. This process helps protect your assets by adding a second layer of authentication. Now, if you're using API keys for third-party applications or services, it's essential to write them down and store them securely. API keys are sensitive pieces of information that can grant access to your account, so it's crucial to treat them like your password. You might use a password manager to keep them secure, or if you prefer a more traditional approach, jot them down and store them in a safe place away from prying eyes. By taking care of your API keys, you're ensuring that no unauthorized applications can access your account. Another crucial element of backing up your Binance wallet is regularly exporting your transaction history as a CSV file. This step is particularly useful for keeping track of your transactions over time and can prove invaluable for accounting or tax purposes. To export your transaction history, navigate to the transaction history section in your Binance account. You'll typically find an option there to download your history as a CSV file. Make it a habit to do this regularly so that you always have an up-to-date record of your financial activities. Storing these files securely, whether on an external hard drive or using a trusted cloud service, ensures you have access to them whenever needed. By following these straightforward steps, you're well on your way to securing your Binance account effectively. Remember, while Binance doesn't require a traditional seed phrase backup, taking these extra precautions can provide peace of mind and an extra layer of security for your investments. Thank you for following along, and happy trading.